Let's look at the class of our service, sending service class, and add init block, which will just print the sending service is created. When you write code in Kotlin, then when the application starts, Spring doesn't immediately create all instances of beans if we don't access them. For example, we just create context and run our program, but without accessing of our bean of sending service class. We can see that this message is not printed. The sending service is created. Only empty context. But if we write code on Java, let's create a Java class. Some service on Java class. And add init block. We don't write here init like a Kotlin, we just write these brackets. And here we will just print the next message. The same service Java instance is created. And let's put this class in context by using component annotation. Component or service, this is stereotype annotations, because this is service. And if it will be repository, we will write a repository annotation. And just write our program. And just run our program. We can see Java create an instance of this bean automatically. But in Kotlin, we do it if we get this bean from our context, from this context, invoke method getBean, and specify the class with the service, sending service class. Run it again. And only in this case we see that Kotlin is created the sending service class. But if we don't access it, the Spring doesn't create its instance. Okay. But when we write code in Java, the instance is created automatically, and on the contrary, we must mark it with a lazy annotation so that Spring creates an instance only when this class is accessed. Look like this. Lazy. From org Spring Framework context annotation. Lazy. And if we run it again, we can see that Spring don't create its bean instance of this class, Java class, because we specified the lazy annotation. Okay, and if we try to get it bean from this context dot get bean and specify this class name, some service in Java. This is class Java. Yes, that's right. We can see that Spring creates an instance of this bean only if we needed to get it from the context. Good job. See you in the next lesson.